Do you possess a brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra that you can't wait to flaunt? We don't blame S23 Ultra due to the device's stunning display, robust performance, and advanced features. However, prior to flaunting your new device, have you considered how to protect it from accidental drops and impacts? Do not allow a single error to destroy your valuable investment. A case of superior quality can provide the necessary protection to keep your phone safe and secure. For this reason, we have compiled a list of the 5 best Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra cases for drop protection, each with distinctive features and designs to suit your individual style and requirements. So let's dive in and find you the ideal case. The Casekoo translucent case designed for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra offers top-notch protection for your valuable device, equipped with an upgraded 3-layer military bumper and 3rd-gen bigger airbags. This case has been rigorously tested to withstand more than 5,000 extreme drop-resistant tests. With an anti-slip design on both sides of the case, you can rest assured that your phone won't slip out of your hand. The case features 2mm raised top and bottom bezels for the curved screen, and 1mm raised bumpers on both sides, providing superior protection for the screen. Additionally, the raised bezels on the camera side protected from scratches, ensuring that your camera remains in pristine condition. Crafted with a matte hard backplane, the case is both sturdy and scratch-resistant, and it also prevents fingerprints and oil from sticking to the case. Overall, the Casekoo translucent case offers optimal protection for your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance. Looking for a case that's both stylish and offers excellent protection for your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra? Look no further than the SUPCASE Edge XT case. Crafted from high-quality PC and TPU materials, this case offers unbeatable protection against accidental drops and bumps while keeping your phone looking sleek and stylish. The transparent back cover is scratch and discoloration resistant, so you don't have to worry about unsightly blemishes ruining your phone's signature look. And with a built-in screen protector, you can rest assured that your phone's screen is fully protected against scratches without sacrificing touch sensitivity. But that's not all. The case also features raised bezels on the back corners, providing extra protection to your phone's camera lens. With the SUPCASE Edge XT case, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your phone is fully protected against all kinds of mishaps. So why wait? Order your SUPCASE Edge XT case today and give your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra the ultimate protection it deserves. The ESR Boost Kickstand case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with its hard polycarbonate at back and is resistant to yellowing and scratches, allowing you to show off your phone's true style and stunning clarity that lasts. In addition to its aesthetic benefits, this case also provides military-grade drop protection for your device. Its shock-absorbing airguard corners, raised screen edges, and camera guard ensure that your Galaxy S23 Ultra is safeguarded from drops, bumps, and scratches. One of the standout features of this case is its highly adjustable kickstand. The patented design gives you the freedom to choose any angle up to 60 degrees, while the durable hinge has been lab-tested to stay strong for over 3,000 uses. You can enjoy a more comfortable hands-free viewing angle via 3 stable stand modes and FaceTime family and portrait or catch up on your favorite shows in the landscape. Despite its robust protective features, the SR Boost Kickstand case still supports wireless charging with the case on, making it a highly practical choice for everyday use. Overall, the SR Boost Kickstand case is a stylish and highly protective option for your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, offering a range of features that cater to your convenience and peace of mind. Introducing the Poetic Guardian case, a military-grade drop-tested case that provides all-round protection for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. With its extra raised lips and corners, the front hard frame offers unparalleled screen protection from drops, ensuring the safety of your device at all times. With this case, your phone can even survive up to 20 feet of drop. Also, it is equipped with a built-in screen protector for added peace of mind. Crafted with premium clear polycarbonate material, the Poetic Guardian case is highly resistant to scratches, preserving the pristine appearance of your device. The full clarity and gloss of the case perfectly showcase the best that your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has to offer. The Poetic Guardian case is designed to be highly compatible with your device. You can charge your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra wirelessly without the need to remove the case, allowing for hassle-free use on the go. Invest in the Poetic Guardian case today and experience the ultimate protection and style for your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Caseology Parallax case is a premium protective case designed specifically for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Its unique 3D hexacube design not only enhances the ergonomics of the phone but also offers a textured TPU grip on all edges, ensuring a secure and comfortable hold. Available in stylish two-tone colors for both men and women. This case is designed to complement the sleek and modern look of your Galaxy S23 Ultra. Furthermore, it has been certified with military-grade protection, thanks to its airspace technology, ensuring the highest level of drop protection for your device. The Caseology Parallax case is also wireless charging and screen protector compatible, making it a versatile choice for anyone who wants to keep their phone protected while still enjoying all of its features. Additionally, the lifted edges of the case offer extra protection for the cameras and screen, preventing scratches and damage from everyday use. Overall, the Caseology Parallax case is reliable and stylish choice for anyone who wants to keep their Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra safe and protected. So these were the top 5 Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra cases for drop protection just for you. Which one are you going with? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know into the comment box, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Share with your friends if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.